Building a killer gaming PC for $1,000? Let's do it. Start with the AMD Ryzen 5 7600, 6 cores, 12 threads, and fantastic gaming performance. Pair it with the AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT, solid 1080p, and even 1440p gaming at high settings. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 5200 MHz, is the sweet spot for gaming. For storage, grab a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. Fast load times and plenty of space for your games. The B650 motherboard gives you all the essentials of the AM5 platform without breaking the bank. A reliable 750-watt power supply keeps everything running smoothly. Finally, a sleek, budget-friendly case with good airflow to keep your build cool.